we're gonna show off what we got here. Matthew, what you got laying right there? What's that sexy son of a bitch?
That's a Remington Super Express Magnum 870.
Synthetic stock 12 gauge.
Full choke.
3.5-inch Magnum, baby. Smooth as a baby's ass. Alright. As you can see, my buddy Matthew here, he's got a little shot shell holder right there for some extra bullets. A little extra bang. He's got some 3-inch heavy magnums in there right now, so I feel sorry for any buzzards flying along. Not that we shoot buzzards. That's illegal. We don't do that. Don't do it. It's bad. Game Warden will come, they'll take all your shit, and you're going to be standing there with nothing. Bad day. I know a couple people happen to. Brother-in-law. He's still pissed about it. Then me, this right here, this is a Maverick Model 88. This to Mossberg is what Chevrolet is to GMC. Basically, this is the same thing as a Mossberg. These are made right here in the great state of Texas. And the beautiful thing about both of these shotguns, they're relatively cheap, they're very reliable, and they are made, assembled, packaged, and shipped right here in the good old United States of America by American workers. Now we're going to do a little bit of ballistics testing. I've got 3 rounds of buckshot, and I've got 3 rounds of 4-shot. Let's see what it does to that hog right there. We're just going to have a little fun, bullshit around.
Alright.
1 round of buckshot.
Hey, them turkeys gobbling.
Now, I'm going for that rock. This is a very tricky shot with a shotgun. This is almost impossible. Told you, nobody could have done that. No goddamn body could have done that. Alright, we're going to have us a little friendly competition here. We got his shotgun, my shotgun. We got a board right there that's going to be visible in the shooter cam right here. Now, or excuse me, the target cam. Now, we're going to load 2 shells. Both guns are completely empty. They've been dry fired. They're on safe. Got to load 2 shells and then take the guns off safe
And shoot both shells at the target.
Shoot both shells at the target. First one to empty wins. Go!
What whole shit? Why is that not doing that? What whole shit?
Vamos!
Ah, you bitch. Game over.
This time, we're loading 3. No fancy bullshit. First to load 3 and dump 3.
3, 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, got my ass whipped because my fucking gun is dirty. Shit happens. Oh, almost forgot. United we stand, divided we surely will fall. Join NRA.